Hello friends, I want to show you how our garden from Tindy's apartment is doing and what kind of plants we plant. In this box we have oregano, sweet basil, dill, tomatoes, and we have another purple basil and sweet basil. In the other box we plant some peppers, red and orange bell peppers, and of course we had to plant some strawberries. They're looking pretty good. In the other box we have more tomatoes, and I want you to see this beautiful thing, our cilantro that is ready for harvest. It's doing pretty good. Later on I'm gonna harvest some cilantro so that way we can make a dish Mexican called pico de gallo. And the other side we have purple basil. And I'm not sure of what this plant, what it is. But I think our garden is doing pretty good.